Welcome to the Nutshell Sales Dashboard. Let's take a tour. In the center of your sales dashboard are your dashboard cards, which are customizable boards that display specific sections of your company data. Each user customizes their own dashboard cards. Click an empty slot, choose a card type, name it, open the settings icon for options, then drag and drop to rearrange. You can customize things like the name of the card and filters applied to your data, plus see a preview of what your card will look like. The metrics card lets you track new leads, open leads, and sales volume versus the same point in the previous period. With the quotas card, you can compare up to 6 quotas, pick the assignee and quota type, and monitor progress. Want to track your most important leads? Use the Hot Leads card. Just look for the orange chevrons in list cards or pick from any of your saved lists. Leaderboard cards let you compare team performance in sales or activities. List cards let you preview a saved companies, people, or leads list and click through to the full list. Finally, a pipeline card reveals how many leads are in each stage at a glance. To the right of the sales dashboard, you'll see your activities, tasks, and timeline, where you can stay on top of your upcoming responsibilities and collaborate with your team. Click and drag to maximize this section and see more of what's on your plate. Under the Activities tab, you can see all upcoming activities on your calendar by date and time. Filter these by activity type, assignee, status, and labels like important or hot leads. If you have unlogged activities piling up, you can log them from here as well. Under the Tasks section, you'll see all the tasks assigned to you. Check them off as you complete them so you can move deals forward. Your dashboard timeline is a chronological feed of all events that occur in Nutshell across your company. The timeline is the place to stay on top of what's happening in your organization and collaborate with your team. Your timeline can be filtered by event type, activity type, or event creator, and includes lead updates so you can cheer on your colleague when they close that big sale. If you have Nutshell Pro and above, you can @mention team members to get their attention as you work on deals together. Thanks for watching, and happy nutshelling!